Welcome to a place where travel transcends ordinary boundaries. These RVs aren't just vehicles, they're masterpieces of engineering and design that redefine what it means to explore the open road. Imagine cruising through rugged mountain trails, scenic coastal highways, or expansive desert plains, all while cocooned in the lap of luxury. Whether you're a digital nomad, a family adventurer, or a couple yearning for endless horizons, these RVs promise to ignite your wanderlust and elevate every journey into an unforgettable experience. From rugged off-grid explorers to opulent rolling mansions, let's explore 10 of the most luxurious RVs on the planet. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the post notification bell. The EarthRoamer XV-HD is for the kind of person who doesn't back away from the wild, but won't compromise on comfort either. To the real adventurer, this heavy-duty RV changes the most inhospitable of landscapes into theaters of unforgettable experiences. The XV-HD is built on the robust Ford F-750 chassis, with tough construction to military standards, advanced all-wheel drive, and great durability. Be it an icy mountain road or desert path, this is the motorhome that will see you safe and steady through the tough stuff. Enter inside, and the roughness outside just melts away, opening into an oasis of luxury inside. This conjunction of function and comfort means a king-size bed with plush bedding underfoot, heated flooring for those cool nights, and extensive hardwood cabinetry displaying warmth and polish. The large lounge is ideal to lounge around in, while the full kitchen with high-end appliances tempts one into gastronomic creativity. With large-scale energy-producing solar panels, large tanks of water, and modern battery systems, one can live far from civilization for weeks. With the XV-HD, there's more than just a vehicle. It's your key to freedom and adventure. As far as sheer customization goes, it doesn't get much better than a marathon coach. Based on a heavy-duty Prevost chassis, this would make a coach of your dream of ultimate luxury. Every marathon coach is a singular creation, carefully designed to meet personal taste and owner's needs. The focus inside is on luxury. Seats with Italian leather, floors with carefully placed tiles, and intricate woodwork create an atmosphere of opulence. Every aspect, from the soft light down to the special handles, denotes a lot about craftsmanship. Imagine a complete chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a private movie room with plush, comfortable chairs, or even a fitness room with a host of exercise machines. With smart home technology, life is made a bit simpler with easy controls for lighting, security, and temperature systems. Whether it's entertaining guests or just that quiet wind down after a long day of traveling, the marathon coach has become a special place, stylistically current, functional, and unique. Nicknamed the Land Yacht, one such revolutionary motorhome is the Concorde Liner Plus, which redefines the very essentials of travel on the road. Sleek and smooth in design, an exaggeratedly plush interior, everything inside this RV screams pure sophistication. You step into this apartment and it feels like you've entered the dwelling of a king. The soft leather sofas against the wood details and appliances give you that 5-star hotel feeling. Great appliances, plenty of counter space in the kitchen, and the bathroom features heated flooring and a rain shower. With smart technologies, you can change everything around you with just a touch of a finger. Change the lights, turn up the temperature to perfect, turn on the top-notch entertainment system, whatever you prefer. Whether one is driving through beautiful countryside or parked along a quiet lake, the Concorde Liner Plus assures that the journey is just as agreeable as the destination. It's here with the InTech OVR Series off-the-beaten-path RV, an off-road trailer that seamlessly fuses strong durability with modern comfort. Hence, this has been one of the favorites for many explorers. It's tough enough with a strong aluminum frame and off-road tires to handle tough and rough areas, while the high ground clearance allows it to move over obstacles easily. The strong look outside and the inside conveys comfort and usefulness. But inside it has a functional kitchen, comfortable sleeping quarters, and great ideas for storage. And yes, solar panels and a robust battery system ensure power whether one goes into the middle of nowhere. Whether you camp with stars above your head or take that extended cross-country haul, the InTech OVR Series makes just the right mix of strength and comfort. Luxuries need not be very expensive, and that is what the Winnebago Forza portrays. Being in its price bracket, it's a Class A diesel motorhome, amazing in value, and thus could work best for couples and families seeking something better. Inside, the Forza shows to be a good design and skilled craftsmanship with such niceties as nice wood floors, high-quality cabinets, plenty of storage, and added coziness with class. Featured in one of those plans are bunk beds that are ideal for families, while others sport features like a master suite that goes well for couples. Available features include an exterior entertainment system and extensive storage for your gear, taking outdoor fun to the next level. Comfort and convenience overflow with the Winnebago Forza on tailgating at a big sporting event or relaxing during a weekend respite. If you've ever dreamed of a palace on wheels, the Vario Signature 1200 is it. This luxurious RV takes opulence to new heights, offering an experience that feels more like a high-end penthouse than a motorhome. The garage is among the high points that hold a small car or sports gear. The smart fit-out allows you to carry your favorite vehicle or toy with you. Inside, it gets even more elegant. Handcrafted cabinets, soft seats, and beautiful finishes make this cabinetry nice to see and very functional. A reserved master bedroom is set aside for rest, while an alcove sleeping area offers extra space for guests or children. From weekend retreats to cross-country tours, the Vario Signature 1200 represents the pinnacle of luxury on the road. Why be limited to the highways when you can enjoy the waterways too? The Seal 7.5M is an amphibious caravan, an accurate mix of flexibility and comfort, allowing you to switch from highway to lake with facility. From the fully functional kitchen to sleeping quarters that can accommodate 4 people, to the small bathroom, this RV has it all on land. The real fun, however, begins once one hits the water. Strong at its body and engine, the Seal 7.5M allows travel along lakes, rivers, and quiet coastlines. Just imagine stopping in a quiet bay with dinner in a beautiful landscape and sleeping the night out with the soft movements of the sea. Every voyage with the Seal 7.5M will be an adventure. The Azimuth Expedition 4x4 is literally the ultimate dream of every adventure lover, promising to have all the abilities to conquer some of the unimaginable tracks by keeping the comfort inside intact. The outside is rugged and ready, prepared with solar panels, a power generator, and big water tanks for the long stretches between grid power. Inside, this is to be a haven, a petite kitchen, a pleasant sleeping area, and a table to dine or work at. Although big, the Azimuth has plenty of storage, so you can be sure that you will have everything with you on your quiet paths or preparations for a night outside. Here, the Azimuth Expedition 4x4 is your partner. STX Motorhomes collaborated with Isa Hospitality in the development of the STX Isa Edition One Wonder of modern luxury. Equipped with new design inspirations along with finishes of quality, this camper provided a setting that was both functional and comfortable. It has 3 large slide-outs, making the living area bigger. They provide a master bedroom, a full kitchen, and another lounge. The hidden phone chargers built into the wood are examples of how much care was taken into the design. The driver's cabin is very nice, with high-quality black leather seats, complemented by modern navigation systems. Whether one is working anywhere or sipping a glass of wine, the STX Isa Edition 1 offers a travel experience like no other. In number 1 position is the Concorde Centurion 1200. A masterpiece of German design, this land yacht stretches to a total length of 40 feet and offers luxury competing with the most expensive apartments. Indoors, the home is full of opulence, with quartz countertops, leather recliners, and large windows that let in a lot of light. The kitchen is a must-have for any cook. Top-end appliances and space to make a lot of food. Nice bathroom too, featuring marble details, a shower just like rain, and heated floors. Anything can be special in the Concorde Centurion 1200, having your friends over or just having a quiet night. From rugged off-road trailers to opulent motorhomes, these RVs represent the pinnacle of luxury and freedom. Whether you're chasing sunsets, exploring remote trails, or simply enjoying life on the road, these vehicles turn every journey into an unforgettable adventure. Which of these incredible RVs would you choose for your dream adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you have a favorite RV that didn't make the list, we'd love to hear about it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.